Respected principal sir, good morning teachers. Today lesson, 8th class lesson, light. Okay, topic light, reflection and incident ray, and reflected ray, angle of incidency, angle of reflection. Okay, first one light, and second one reflection, third one incident ray, fourth one reflected ray, fifth one angle of incidency, sixth one angle of reflection. First one, what is meant by light? What is meant by light? Okay, light is a form of energy which senses not visible. Light is a form of energy. Energy means capacity to work. Energy means capacity to work. Light is a form of energy which senses not visible. For example, this is dark room. You can see any object? No. Can't see any objects. Okay. Again, switch on the light. Light also visible. Light also visible. You can see any object? Yes. Yes. You can see any object. Okay, book and table and TV and another one. Any object you can see any object. Okay, this one light. Light is a form of energy which senses not visible or vision. Okay, next one. Light travels. Light travels along a sidewalk. Along a sidewalk. Light travels along a sidewalk. No curved path. Okay, light always straight path. Okay, this straight only. Light always straight path. No curved path. No curved path. Okay, next one. The speed of light. The speed of light 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per seconds. Okay, here the speed of light. The speed of light 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per seconds. Okay, for example, the ray is passing. The ray is passing. Okay, the ray is passing. The speed 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per seconds. Okay, another example. The bike moving from one place to another place. Okay, A to B. Okay, 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, the bike moving from A to B, 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is change the speed. Here, light also, the speed of light, constant value 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per seconds. Constant value. This is practical value. Okay, here, bike moving from A to B 30 km per hour, changing 40 or 50 or 60. Here, the speed of light also 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per second. This is practical value. Okay. Okay, next one, another definition, reflection. Okay, what is meant by reflection? For example, take a ball. Okay, throw the ball. Come back the ball? Yes or no? highly polished surface mirror. Okay, what is a mirror? A smooth polished reflecting surface is called mirror. A smooth polished reflecting surface is called mirror. Okay, here reflection means the phenomena bouncing back of light. Bouncing back of light. Highly polished surface is called reflection. Okay, here the ray is passing on the mirror. The ray is passing on the mirror. After reflection, same medium. Here two mediums. This is first medium. This is second medium. Okay, same medium. The ray is passing first medium. After reflection, same medium. Is called reflection. Is called reflection. Here point is there. Here point. This point is called normal. This is point is called normal. N is the normal. N is the normal. Here I is the angle of incidence. I is the angle of incidence. Here R reflected ray. Reflected ray. This is a incident ray. This is reflected ray. Okay. What is meant by reflection is the phenomena bouncing back of light. Bouncing back of light. Highly polished surface is called reflection. Is called reflection. Okay. Next one, laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Okay. Here laws of reflection. First point. There are 2 points. Is there? First point. Okay. Here incident ray and reflected ray all lies in the same plane. All lies in the same plane. Okay, here incident ray and reflected ray and normal all lies in the same plane. Okay, incident ray and reflected ray and normal all lies in the same plane. This is the first point. Second point. Okay, angle of incidence, angle of R, shape. Angle of incidence, angle of R, shape. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of R. Okay, angle of I is equal to angle of R. Okay, for example, angle of I 30 degrees is there. Angle of R. Okay, angle of I 30 degrees is there. Angle of R. Here angle of I is equal to angle of R. Okay, 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Same. Angle of I is equal to angle of R. Angle of I is equal to angle of R. Okay, here laws of reflection. Second point, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, for example, angle of I 40 degrees is here. How much angle of R? 40 degrees. 40 degrees. Okay, here laws of reflection. First point, incident ray and reflected ray normal all lies in the same plane. Second point, angle of incidence is equal to angle of R. Okay. Next one. Next one. Next one, incident ray. Incident ray. Okay, take a plane mirror. Take a plane mirror. This is plane mirror. Take a plane mirror. Okay, what is meant by incident ray? What is meant by incident ray? Okay, the ray which is strike surface is called incident ray. Here surface what? Plane mirror. Surface what? Plane mirror. The ray which strikes on the surface. The ray which strikes on the surface is called incident ray. Is called incident ray. Okay. Next one, reflected ray. Reflected ray. Reflected ray. The ray which come back from the surface. The ray which come back from the surface. Come back from the surface. Same surface is called reflected ray. Is called reflected ray. Okay, yeah. Incident ray, reflected ray. Incident ray what? The ray which strikes on the surface. The ray comes back from the surface is called reflected ray. Here, incident ray. Incident ray. The ray which strikes on the surface. The ray comes back from the surface is called reflected ray. Okay, yes. Next one. This is normal. Okay, next one. Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Okay, what is the angle of incidence? The angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. Is called angle of incidence. The angle of between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Okay. Next one. Angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Okay, angle of reflection. Angle of reflection is the angle between normal and reflected ray. Normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Okay, here angle of incidence and angle of reflection. What are the difference between angle of incidence, angle of reflection? Okay, angle of incidence is the angle between normal and incident ray. Normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. Okay, another one, angle of reflection is the angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Okay, next one activity. One activity. Laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Second point. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, activity. Angle of I is equal to the angle of R. Okay, I is the incidence. R is the reflection. I is the incidence. R is the reflection. Okay. For example, okay, take a paper. Take a paper. Take a paper. Take a paper. Okay. Next one, take a torchlight or laser light. Laser light. Laser light. Okay. The ray is passing on the strip of the paper. Strip of the paper. The ray is passing on the strip of the paper. Okay. After reflection, come back the surface. angle of I, angle of R. Here angle of I, here angle of R. Okay, table column. Serial number 1, angle of I, angle of R. Okay, the ray is passing on the paper. The ray is passing on the paper. After that, reflected. After that, reflected. Okay. Serial number 1. First one 20. Angle of I 20. Angle of R how much? Angle of R how much? Okay, angle of R 20. Say 20. Angle of I is equal to angle of R. Okay, next one some change. The ray is passing on the paper. On the paper. Serial number 2. 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Angle of R how much? 30. Okay, angle of angle of I 40 degrees. Angle of R 40 degrees. Same. Okay. Angle of I 50 degrees. Angle of R 50 degrees. Okay, here angle of incidency, angle of reflection. Okay, thank you.